Hello. Today I'm going to demonstrate a completely new series of zero-turn mowers from Husqvarna, the new PZ series. I will also discuss the 4 key elements for high profitability when it comes to commercial mowers: productivity, durability, comfort, and serviceability. So, let's start with productivity. Now, you want the machine to cut quickly and effectively so you can cut the largest possible area in the shortest possible time. The cutting deck is the key to increase productivity. Now, with the assistance of computer-aided design, Husqvarna were able to produce a deck that is very deep and specifically engineered to ensure maximum airflow. This, together with the high lift blades and oversized discharge opening, helps the grass cuttings eject more effectively without forming clumps. Husqvarna have made significant investments when designing these decks to achieve highest cutting quality combined with highest productivity. To add further versatility to the side discharge deck, there are optional mulch kits as well as a 450 litre or 13 bushel 3-bag commercial collection system with blower. Whether it's a commercial lawn maintenance application or a municipality, the expectation is high productivity with premium results. The Husqvarna PZ delivers on both counts. When you have a very high efficiency cutting deck, you can keep a higher ground speed and so cut more in less time. You can get more done and therefore earn more. Put quite simply, you increase your profitability. Next is durability. The entire machine has been designed to withstand tough commercial operation. Take the chassis for example. It is constructed of 5 by 7.5 centimeter or 2 by 3 inch welded steel tubing. The front casters are heavy-duty steel. They also have hard-wearing flat-free tyres to eliminate downtime. As you move further down the chassis, the next thing you notice is a very heavy-duty deck lift system. The PZ uses many heavy steel and cast iron components to ensure structural strength. The high-performance cutting deck is made of 7-gauge steel, but that is just the start. The decks also feature oversized blade spindles with cast iron housings and ball bearings to withstand the daily punishment of commercial life. Anti-scalp rollers are supported on both sides and the discharge shield is rubber to prevent damage if objects are impacted. To extend belt life, the deck idler system uses an oversized idler pulley with a torsion spring design idler arm and belt keepers. The result of all this is a cutting deck that not only cuts very well, but will do so for a very long time with minimal downtime. We've talked about the durability of the chassis and the deck itself. Now let's look at the durability in terms of the powertrain. The engine is the heart of the commercial mower, so it is essential and critical to use the best engines for the application. The PZ series uses engines from Kawasaki, Kohler and Kubota. These engines are specifically chosen for their commercial construction, reliability and durability. There are different horsepower choices as well as gasoline or diesel versions to choose from depending on the application. When it comes to the drive system, once again high durability is the expectation. The commercial duty pump and wheel motor drive systems all have large capacity oil reservoirs and fan-cooled pumps to provide proper cooling. Keeping oil temperatures low is the key to long life as well as consistent smooth performance. Our third discussion point is comfort. Many manufacturers talk about comfort while pointing at a comfortable seat. But at Husqvarna, we talk about ergonomics. That is, minimizing the strain on the operator. This is why we argue that ergonomics is also economics. A driver who avoids unnecessary strain can work efficiently and do as good a job at the end of the shift as at the beginning. Now I'll show you how comfort and ergonomics work in reality. Jumping up and down on the mower's floor shows us right away that it's not just the seat that has suspension, it's the entire operator area. The operator's hands, feet and body are isolated from vibration by separating the entire operator platform from the chassis with rubber mounts. Vibrations cause fatigue, so Husqvarna has isolated the driver's area from the rest of the machine. When you sit down, you feel that the seat provides good back and side support. It's suspended and can be adjusted to suit the driver's weight. It also features EVC, or elastomeric vibration control, in the seat cushion to provide additional comfort and reduce vibration. The steering levers are angled towards you so your wrists remain straight for a relaxed, healthy working position. To the right, you also have controls like the throttle and key switch. All are carefully placed to be easily accessible and comfortable to use. With a comfortable driving position, you can work for hours at a time without getting tired. The pedal by your right foot is for raising and lowering the cutting deck. The unique latch system means that you can lock the deck in transport or lower to a cutting height without taking your hands from the steering levers. It's even possible to adjust the cutting height position while seated. You can reach the height adjustment pin easily with your right hand. Just turn the pin and remove it, then push it back in at the desired cutting height, letting it drop down into the lock position. By now it must be clear that Husqvarna has put a lot of effort into ergonomics. The last thing we'll discuss is serviceability. Simplified service is the key to minimize shop time and maximize mowing time. Husqvarna's engineers understood this requirement and designed accordingly. When you lift the footrest, you have access to the entire deck drive system, including the belts. It's easy to keep clean, inspect the belts and also grease the spindle bearings from here. Because the chassis is built of heavy-duty square steel tubes, it means that everything is very open and accessible. The engine area is clean and open on both sides to allow for easy engine and hydraulic system servicing. All electrical components, including the battery, are also very easy to get to. Everything to do with daily maintenance and inspection is readily available. If there's a need for more extensive service or repair on the drive system, you'll find that Husqvarna has a solution there as well. Since the entire drive system is part of a separate module, it takes no more than about half an hour to remove everything as one piece. This is part of how we minimize the risk of unscheduled stoppages, as well as ensure that scheduled stoppages are extremely short as well. The result? The machine will soon be at work again instead of sitting in a workshop. A commercial machine should be built for hard work. When all the elements work together, like in this machine, the result is high productivity. So, there you have it. Productivity, durability, comfort, and serviceability. Features that are key to a commercial user and that are realized in Husqvarna industry-leading commercial zero-turn mowers, the PZ series.